Crypto Dreams.
What's up, crypto heads? John Fro here from Crypto Dreams. This is the place to be to learn about NFTs, AI, GameFi, and Web3. Welcome back. In this episode, I'm going to be talking all about Ronin. Ronin is on a rampage. They are doing so much in the world of Web3 gaming. I'm going to be giving you a basic overview of Ronin and the entire ecosystem, how it all works. It's vast and complicated, so you'll want to watch this episode front to back. It's got everything you're going to need to know so you can navigate through the ecosystem. There's a lot of information out there and it's scattered all over the place. This is a one-stop shop for you. It's all here. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. These episodes take a lot of work to make, and subscribing to my channel is a way that you can support me. It is very much appreciated. Also hit like, that helps out a lot as well. All right, let's begin. All right, so this is the Ronin website. We're gonna start things off here. So what is Ronin? Ronin was developed by Sky Mavis. Sky Mavis created the game Axie Infinity. If you are not familiar with Axie Infinity was the biggest game in Web3 during the bull market of 2021. Huge game. It went absolutely insane and went parabolic. They created the Ronin blockchain. Ronin is an EVM blockchain crafted for developers building games with player-owned economies. So Ronin was developed primarily for gaming on Web3. I'm going to read over this right here because this is really important. This is some big stuff here. So I'm just going to read over this section right here. So Ronin has established itself as a leading force in Web3 gaming, boasting impressive metrics that highlight its widespread adoption and robust community. Dominating the market, Ronin holds 80% market share among Web3 gamers. That's huge, guys. Cementing its position as the go-to blockchain for gaming applications, with 1.3 million daily active addresses and 3.3 million monthly active addresses. Ronin demonstrates consistent and significant user engagement. The 17 million Ronin wallet downloads further underscore its popularity and ease of use among gamers and crypto enthusiasts alike. Additionally, the network security is bolstered by 120,000 stakers, reflecting strong community trust and participation. So if you're not familiar with how staking works, stakers, they help build the strength of a network. So really important. So I'm just mentioning all of those numbers because those numbers are very important. 80% of the market share. Ronin is a powerhouse. They are on a rampage. They are set to dominate Web3 gaming. There are some other participants out there that are doing big things as well, but Ronin is way ahead. Again, they had the biggest game of the bull market last cycle, and that would be Axie Infinity. You can see some of the games right here. Axie Infinity right off the top. We'll look at more of these games here in just a moment, but Ronin is doing big things. Their all-time DEX volume is 9.41 billion, so pushing towards $10 billion in volume. Big number right there. All-time NFT volume, 4.2 billion. Again, a big number. Lots of locked value at 750 million. Those numbers are all very important and show the strength of the Ronin network. Web3 that works. I'm not going to read over all of this, but their ecosystem works well. I have spent many hours digging around, playing games in the Ronin network. I actually have an episode featuring a few of those games. If you're curious about that episode, just click the link above. So moving along here, if we look at their ecosystem, there's a lot to look at here. We're going to look at some of the key things. One of the most important things about the ecosystem is the Ronin wallet. Okay, so if you're wanting to get started with Ronin and play some games and swap some tokens, you need to get yourself a Ronin wallet. Very important. You can get it as a browser extension or as a mobile app. I personally have both and I use both. There's a lot of mobile games on the Ronin network. So in order to interact with those games, you have to get yourself a Ronin wallet. The Ronin wallet is how you're going to transact on the blockchain. You have to have one. You cannot do anything on the Ronin network without the Ronin wallet. I'll have a link to that in the description below. So a really important thing to mention here about navigating and transacting on the Ronin network is in order to do that, not only do you need a wallet, you also need Ron in that wallet. So Ron is what you're going to use for transaction fees. You have to have Ron. So you have to fund your Ronin wallet. In order to do this, you need to go to an exchange and get yourself some Ron. Send that Ron over to your Ronin wallet. So there's some setup that needs to get done before you can start navigating, but that is how you're going to do it. Ron is on all the big exchanges. It's on Binance, it's on Coinbase, OKX, BitGet, Gate.io, big exchanges there. So not really hard to get, pretty easy to get as long as you have accounts set up. And yeah, you just get Ron and you need to send that to your wallet. We also have the Mavis market. We're going to take a look at that here in just a moment. They have Katana, which is their DEX. This is where you can swap different tokens. So Katana is where you want to go, connect your wallet, and then you can start swapping. So the website here is a very good starting point. It's going to have links to their entire ecosystem, including all of their DAPPS down here, where you can look at games as well. So again, Axie Infinity. You got Pixels. Pixels is very big. Wild Forest. I have played a lot of Wild Forest. Fantastic game. I've also played Ragnarok. That was featured in one of my past episodes. Many of these games are fully live and playable, and some of them are still in the very beginning stages, but lots of these games are live and you can play them. Wild Forest, for example, we'll take a look at this one. This is a really fun game. You can see how clean it looks. The game is very smooth. I've had zero issues with the game. It works perfectly, seamlessly. Again, you'll need a Ronin wallet and you'll have to get set up on Sky Mavis, which I will explain here shortly. But you could just see how cool all of this looks. Fantastic game. It's on the level of anything I've played on Web 2. And this is a Web 3 game where you can earn tokens and move up the leaderboard. They also have a whole bunch of dApps that you can look at here. Again, connect with the Ronin wallet, the Mavis market. And there's a lot of other stuff you can look at up here, but I'm not going to go over all of that. We are going to go ahead and move along. So next thing we are looking at here is the Mavis market. In order for you to get access to NFTs and get them in the game, you need to have a Sky Mavis account set up. So you're going to set up a Sky Mavis account. You're going to link your wallet. A lot of games also have a way to connect to your wallet that will connect with the Mavis market so that NFTs you purchase get into the game. I'm not going to go over too much of that. I'm just giving you the basics here, but really the basics of what you're going to need are your Ronin wallet. You need to fund that wallet, and you also need to get yourself a Sky Mavis account set up. So this is the Mavis market. This is where you can get yourself NFTs. This is Ragnarok Monster World. So if you want to get yourself NFTs for Ragnarok, you would click on collections here, click right here, and then you can start purchasing NFTs right here on the Mavis market. So this is where you're going to get your NFTs, everyone. You're going to get them on the Mavis market. So if you are playing Ragnarok Monster World and you want to buy it yourself, a common NFT right here, you know, you're going to buy it. You're going to use your RON right there. You're going to confirm it. And then I would own this NFT. So depending on what game you're playing, you would have to possibly import that NFT into the game. Some of the games already automatically add your NFTs into the game, but very, very important here, everyone, that you get yourself a Sky Mavis account set up. There's also going to be drops that happen on Sky Mavis. Cambria cores right here. This drop just happened. It's a highly successful drop. These sold out in a matter of minutes. And these went for 20 RON, I believe, right off the top. So these already have gone way up in value. If you bought one at 20, they even might have been 10. I can't remember exactly. So if you bought one of these, you are way in profit already. Again, the Ronin network is hot, everybody. There's so much going on. Some of the biggest things in Web3 gaming are happening on Ronin, which is why I wanted to bring this episode to all of you so you can get started and start taking a look. There's so much to go over. I'm not going over everything. I'm only giving you the basics on how to navigate and begin with the Ronin network. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. It's much appreciated. Again, these episodes take a lot of work and your support is so appreciated. Also click like. I got links to every single thing I have talked about in the description below. So be sure that you check out all of those if you want easy navigation to everything I've talked about in this episode. I wish all of you health and wealth. I'm out of here.